show you how I make my quick refrigerator pickles. So the first thing you need are the mini cucumbers. These are the best for pickle making. You will need a half a cup sugar, 1.5 cups white vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, some garlic. I like to put onions in mine also. So the first thing I do is to slice up my red onions. I make sure that they are in thin slices. And then I just chop up into chunks the cucumbers. Try to make them all about the same size. Next, you're going to take your mason jars and you will start layering the cucumbers and then the onions throughout, and make sure you pack down the onions and the cucumbers. Next, I'm going to take some minced garlic and place it on the top of the jar, on top of the cucumbers and onions. Next, you're going to heat up the vinegar and the sugar. Then add your 1 teaspoon of salt. I added a little extra, I actually added 1.5 teaspoons. And then you will warm that up until the sugar dissolves. I also added some black pepper also. Next, you're going to distribute the brine over both of the jars. Make sure that the brine is cool to room temperature. And then you're going to fill the jar the rest of the way with water. When you add the water, make sure that all the vegetables are below the water line. There you have your refrigerator pickles, and they store in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 weeks, and they'll be ready within 48 hours. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video. I will see you in my next one, everyone. Bye-bye.